learners, welcome to this course on understanding human trafficking. This course is a part of Certificate in Anti-Human Trafficking program, which is launched in collaboration with Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. You know, trafficking is a crime against humanity and we have 2% of legal education in India. Still, you know, we have seen that it is very difficult to understand the various contours of human trafficking, you know. As a person, if you have seen television, then you must have seen one advertisement, you know, wherein a child wants to go to a country for work. The mother is very worried and says that your friend went to that country and never came back. And then the child tries to explain the mother that I am going with a valid visa, valid passport, and all the papers are ready, and Ministry of External Affairs has helped me in doing this process. We have seen so many beggars, you know, on the streets. We have seen people who are working as domestic help. We have seen women, children and males in pornographic sites. We have seen, you know, children working in dhabas, in hazardous employments. So do you think that we don't have a law in India regarding this? Or this is something which is not against human rights? Can human beings be sold in a market? We have Article 21 of the Constitution of India, which talks about no person shall be deprived of his life and liberty except by procedure established by law. So, if we talk about dignity and worth, what kind of dignity and worth we are talking about in cases of human trafficking? You know, where every second a person's rights are violated, be it, you know, constitutional rights, be it the legislative rights which are there in India, and the international documents and conventions. I, Dr. Mansi Sharma from School of Law, IGNOU, Assistant Professor, will be your course, you know, instructor. So I will help you in process of understanding different contours of human trafficking. Now I come to the focus of this course. What will be the focus of this course? So, you know, the focus is to create awareness and sensitization about human trafficking, to discuss various laws at international and national levels, and, you know, for the stakeholders to understand what is the role of stakeholders in prevention, in, you know, rehabilitation, and in reintegration the trafficked victims and survivors back into the society. So learning outcomes are, the learners will be able to understand human trafficking, they will be able to understand different stakeholders working in this area, and the stakeholders will be better equipped, you know, they will be trained, they will be using the latest technology to understand, you know, how to handle the cases of human trafficking. The structure of the course, as I said, comprises of what is human trafficking, causes of human trafficking, types of human trafficking, different legislations on human trafficking. And you know, when I talk about legislations, it is very simple. Even a 10th standard person will be able to understand. Then you know the linkages between missing person and human trafficking, how to create human trafficking clubs at state level, in every school, in every college, in every district. The duration of this course is 12 weeks and we will be providing you e-text, videos, discussion forums, assessment and quiz. You know, you will be evaluated on the basis of assignment and term and examination. Now, a very important thing, who can join? Any stakeholder can join who is working in anti-human trafficking unit, doctors, paramedical forces, then paramilitary forces, and NGOs working in this area, students, you know, because if a student is able to join this course, then he will be a person who will break the chain of human trafficking. So representatives of government servants can join, all these ministries can join, the administrators can join this course. So I welcome you all in this course and we will together fight human trafficking. Thank you.